Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a car that's coming part exchange at Toyota IQ. I'm going to have to talk really slowly, or I might have to walk around it twice, otherwise the video will be quite short. So it's not the biggest car in the world, it's actually the first one of these we've ever had. I always thought that there were 2 seats, but there's actually 4 seats and there's quite a lot of room in the back as well. So this car, believe it or not, has been kept in a cocoon and used very sparingly for the last few years. The underside has been treated and undersealed. I'm going to put some photos on of that, but it really is one of the best ones, I think, available. Wheels are all unmarked, calipers have all recently been done. It's got matching tyres all around. It was serviced at Toyota less than 500 miles ago, I think, but we'll put all the details on the advert. So with it being the IQ3, it's got the extras that I presume you can get with one of these. It's got full leather. Bodywork is really clean for the age of mileage. There's a little scuff there on the back bumper trim. I think it's the only one for sale in burnt orange at the moment. Seats, I believe, fold forward and go back as well, so you can have a bit of storage space. It's got all the toolkit, etc. under there as well. Again, all nice and clean and straight down there. As with all our cars, it's HPI clear. And it's got, we'll put all the spec on it, but I'm told that the 3s have everything on it. Again, all nice, clean, tidy, and well presented. As always, we do viewing by appointment only. There'll be 100 photos on our website. If there's anything you want to know, if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.